How to log in Living Spaces credit card online account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Living Spaces credit card account online. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome application. At the top search bar, type in Living Spaces credit card login. As you do so, you will see Synchrony website on your first search result. Tap open it. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website where you will see login option on your top corner. Tap it. Here, simply enter your username. Once done, tap onto your password box and enter your password. If you would like to view your password to check the correctness, then tap on show icon. Once done, if you would like this site to remember your user ID, then tap on remember username. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on to login. If you don't have an account, you can also pay as guest. To do that, simply tap on pay as guest. And in case you have forgotten your username or would like to reset your password, just tap on to I forgot my username or password and get help resetting your account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.